Water, vital to all life, is Earth's most abundant substance. The oceans contain 97% of the planet's water. Of the other 3%, 2/3 is found as ice, in the form of glaciers, ice sheets, and ice caps. Most of the remaining 1% is found underground. A tiny fraction of Earth's water exists in streams, rivers, and lakes. Deadliest floods. China, 1931, 3,700,000 dead. China, 1959, 2 million dead. China -1939, 500,000 dead. China, 1935, 142,000 dead. The remainder of the list involves floods all happening in China. One of the worst happened just 4 years following the worst recorded flooding disaster in history. Nearly 150,000 lost their lives. China, 1911, 100,000 dead. Known for being the longest river in Asia, it's also been involved in a few of China's major floodings. The second most deadliest happened in 1911 when the death toll is estimated at over 100,000. Guatemala, 1949, 40,000 dead. A Pacific hurricane created flooding problems that lasted for over 2 weeks in September and October of 1949. The disaster killed approximately 40,000 people in Guatemala, and like the rest of these disasters, left many people homeless. Water forms from atoms of hydrogen and oxygen and the ration of 2:1, thus the chemical symbol H2O. It occurs naturally in 3 states, as a liquid, solid, ice, and gas, water vapor or steam. Water is the only substance found in 3 forms within the average range of the Earth's temperatures. In fact, rain, snow or hail, and vapor all can appear in the same area at the same time during a severe storm. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When it freezes, it does not contract as most substances do, it expands and forms ice. Ice, therefore, is lighter than liquid water, which is why ice cubes float in a glass of water. The universal solvent. Water can dissolve many substances including most of the hardest rock. It has been a primary force in the shaping of Earth's surface since the first oceans formed billions of years ago. Water is a solvent, which means it combines with other ingredients to form a solution, a new chemical substance whose composition is the same at every point in the mixture. Water has also been an essential and defining element in the support of life. When astronomers life, they first look for signs of water.